The first vlog I made was similar to this. We were going to the beach at sunrise. Oh, you can't see Rowan. Oh wait, you can. Wait, no, that's Soldier Boy.
These are the only sunglasses I could find. They're my little sister's. She's 13.
There's nothing more humbling than like looking into one of those like really like close-up mirrors that are like super magnified. Because then I can see like every like peach fuzz, and it's just so humbling.
Have you tried oil cleansing?
No.
It's so fun. Like the oil filaments just like fall out, and you put them on the back of your palm. It's so gross, but it's so good.
Wait, that does sound kind of fun.
Yeah.
Yo, next hang out.
Group oil cleanse. Full body oil cleanse, guys. And we're on the way to the beach. So, for context, that's what this vlog will be.
I don't think you said it loud enough.
We're on the way to the beach.
Say it louder for the people in the back.
You say it.
No.
That's what I thought. I didn't get to take a morning poop. I know damn well that like the way that karma likes to play out, I'm gonna have like brutal shitting experiences in like the public bathrooms. Last spring break, I had to change a tampon. It was like one of those ultras. TMI maybe, but it was not fun, and the bathroom was so nasty. Like that was truly a low point. The light didn't even work, so I'm so glad I'm not on my period right now. I did have it on my birthday, not over spring break, and that's a bargain I'm willing to make.
Should I get a large iced coffee or a medium?
Large.
Okay.
Wait, holy shit, the tide is really high.
Oh my god. Guys, this is our setup. I'm gonna censor out my feet. Are you painting Wowen?
This.
Or, yeah, markering.
Yeah.
Same fucking div.
They need to be bubble gunned again. No. We arrived at the beach, if you can't tell. Gargamel Beach Day. I did end up successfully pooping in there. A win's a win. Wait, show the bracelet.
My heart dry.
What's your digital footprint?
Never heard of it.
They don't know who we
It's like colder now.
What do you think?
Bro, Chelsea's on the emergency. Yo, put that shit down.
Didn't work.
Hey, let me try.
So far, Sarah seems to be the only one of us that's gotten noticeably tan.
I don't think my back even got tan. Like, I'm pretty sure like it's the front.
I conquered the water, went in, not that bad. We're rolling out. How long were we there? Like 6.5.
And like 3 hours were spent under our towels.
From like 8 to 11:30-ish, we were like bundled up. I'm so gonna piss in the Publix.
That's what's up.
Bird poop alert.
Okay, bitch. Look at this. Look at this. Peep this. Mind you, it wasn't even a full 24 hours after I had washed the outside of my car. And I come out of house and I'm like, no fucking way. And it's like this, and in the back, like, are you for real right now?
We're getting Publix food for lunch, and I'm really hungry. Sub acquired. It's mukbang time. My nail polish? Oh. No. We're listening to Fergie.
I just don't like the texture of spinach on this stuff.
I don't even taste it.
It's not the taste, it's literally just the texture. It's like, why the fuck am I biting into a leaf right now? Like, way to piss me off.
Guys, I'm serving beachy waves.
Bitch, you're serving homeless.
No, I'm serving beachy waves. So I put oil and vinegar on this. A gamble. Never done that before.
You didn't even get mayo on your sandwich.
What's your point? No, I feel like she was making faces when I said that I didn't want mayo.
She literally raised her eyebrow when Anna was just like, oh no mayo.
I'm glad you noticed that because I was like, is there a
She was
problem?
like,
No, I
"There's no
usually get no sauces, and you know what? It still hits. I mean, usually the cheese is melted.
Oh, you get it toasted?
Yeah. She like was like making the sandwich, but like while she was making it, she would like after I said no mayo, she was like,
You don't do the one eyebrow raise?
no, I can't. Yeah, Sarah will demonstrate. Yeah. And I felt prejudged. God forbid a white person doesn't want mayo. Pretty neutral on the oil and vinegar.
Fucking beach town full of old motherfuckers. Like,
No,
that
because
Publix was scary. It was like
old rich people like
That pissed me the
once
fuck
they're
off.
rich and retired, they move to like a beach town.
oh, maybe your phone's overheating.